Hello and welcome to my channel, iChans. Today I'm doing a laminated bowl out of Paduk and Purple Heart. We do come across a few problems and I'll be going through that throughout the video. Hope you enjoy it. Last week I made a bowl blank. I wanted to try something different instead of just a normal bowl blank. I wanted to get a purple stripe going through the Paduk. So I've got two of these. I've got Purple Heart and Paduk, and this one is obviously Paduk and Purple Heart. I rough turned it and left it on the chuck overnight, which then split the join down this edge. I put a question up online on how to get it in, how to get some glue back down the join. A few people mentioned using some thin CA, which was fine. I could have tried that, but they wanted me to prise the join open, which I didn't fancy doing and making the join worse. So a good friend of mine mentioned, and a couple of people online actually mentioned, that put some glue on this join, which I end up using a 2-part epoxy. So I put the glue down the join and stuck the hoover on the inside to try and drag the epoxy through the crease and into the inside, which I wasn't sure would work, but it seems to have done a great job. It's, as you can see, it's all inside, which I never actually put any glue on the inside. It was all done on the outside, but the vacuum actually dragged it all the way through to the inside, so it should be a relatively good join. Well, I'm going to turn it now and let's see how it turns out. What I'm doing now is going over the whole piece with a scraper just to true everything up and make sure everything is running smooth so I can finish the turning. In my experience, once something's been taken off a chuck, putting it back on, it never goes on true, so just going back over it again. As I was truing the face up, I heard a slight crack, so I had to stop the lathe and have a look, and could see that the glue join on the opposite side to which I'd already glued had come away again. So I've had to do the process of getting the epoxy down the glue join and getting it to come through the whole piece, and I'll show you that now. The same thing's happened again. We've got a split there. So what I've done is I've just mixing up some 2-part epoxy quickly, and I'll show you what I mean with the vacuum and getting the glue to get dragged through the join, so you've got a coverage of glue through the whole thickness of your piece. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to just lay some glue or some epoxy on the join, and then get the vacuum on the other side, and hopefully you can see how it works. So that has gone down. As you see, you can now see the crack again. But what you want to see is glue coming through down there. So I'm going to keep going with a bit more. Give it another go. What you can see there is, don't know if you can see it, dark line just there. It's just about coming through. But we're going to keep going until we've got it covered all the way through. I'll keep going with this and show you the end product.